Chuck here with Apple Drains. Quick note about live help. We are extremely busy and I'm trying to get more and more of these done each day. Right now I can get usually 3, 4, maybe 5 of them in a day. Please use our service sign up. Click the live help at the bottom. Send the email. I'll get you on the schedule. Try to get to you as soon as possible.